Well, before you get a chance to even look at the UPL numbers, let's go to the previous one. Gail, what did you make of that?
Well, for Gail, Surbhi, it was an expectation that quarter on quarter it will be a big recovery that will come through. There is a recovery, but slightly lower than what the street was working with. So if you are looking at the standalone numbers as well, profits are around 1400 crore rupees, which compares with a poll of 1655 crore rupees. This time around, it was an expectation that it is the natural gas transmission business which will drive growth for the company. And if you look at it, natural gas EBIT this time has come in at 1024 crore rupees, which compares with a poll of 1087 crore rupees. So largely in line with what the street was working with. Even if we talk about the petrochemicals business, that is the one where a miss has come by. Petchem business EBIT was expected at 100 crore rupees, but it is actually a loss of 100 crore rupees. So that's where we can attribute that miss coming in through from as well. And this is something that we saw in IOC as well. They had reported a loss in the petchem business, despite the fact that the petchem cycle had recovered. So looks like it is not as good for the Indian companies so far as well. If we talk about the LPG LHC business, there the company has reported an EBIT of around 202 crore rupees, which compares with a poll of around 300 crore rupees. So the miss really has come in from their petchem and LPG business, while the natural gas marketing and the natural gas transmission business have been in line with what the street was working with. So yes, the profit miss versus estimates has come in from these two segments. Of course, we'll be watching out for management commentary as far as what the Gazprom deliveries are looking like, because that was something that really led to big decline in their numbers in the quarter gone by, and there were a lot of one-offs as well. They had done a provision for rerouting of Kochi-Bangalore pipeline, whether that has recovered or not, and also the deallocation that had happened because of APM gas allocation. So a couple of things where we will need some management commentary. So yes, it is a slight miss versus what the street was working with, but yes, quarter on quarter there's a good recovery in Gail's numbers.
All right, thanks very much, Sonal, for that. And we're just coming back to you on UP.